retake of lift 7 at Westfield, Carindale. Still the same Schindler series hydro. Lift number 7. 1088 kilos, 16 persons, cab view. Car parks up here. There are no shops or anything up here, just car park. Do one more right up to 2 and then go back down here and end it. I like these buttons. These fixtures are really common in New Zealand. I've been there before, but not since 2018. And no, I did not have a phone back then. Like, I only started filming lifts, like, don't know when, like 2 years ago. Is when I first got to know them. Anyway, look at that light bulb up there. It's nice. There's a Schindler plate. There it goes. That's it.